Most small businesses are paying hundreds of dollars every month just to look professional online. Photography tools, design tools, automation tools, content tools, each subscription adds another cost. But Google just changed that. They quietly released 5 powerful tools inside Google Labs. And if you run a service business or work as a freelancer, this could completely change how you work, because these tools replace services agencies charge thousands of dollars for. And the crazy part? They're free. Hey, I'm Paul James. On this channel, I help freelancers use free AI tools to compete with big agencies. No expensive software, no massive budgets, just smart leverage. I didn't start with connections or money. I was literally trying to build a business while living in my brother's garage. Tools like these are the kind of leverage I wish I had back then. So when Google releases something like this, I pay attention. And today I'm going to break down all 5 tools and show you the income opportunities most creators completely miss. I call this system the zero-cost content stack. The idea is simple. Use a connected group of free Google tools to deliver services that businesses are already paying for. Product photography, lead research outreach, slide presentations, UI design. Let's start with the first one. Tool number 1. Pimeli AI product photography inside Google Labs. You'll find a tool called and this one alone can replace expensive product photo shoots. Here's how it works. You upload a simple photo of a product, maybe a candle, a shirt, a skincare bottle, anything your client sells. Then you choose a template or describe the scene you want. Pimeli places that product into a fully generated lifestyle environment, professional lighting, styled scenes, multiple angles, seasonal themes. It looks like a full studio shoot. Think about what that means for small businesses. A candle brand that used to pay a photographer $200 every few months can now upload one clean product photo and generate an entire campaign in minutes. But here's the real opportunity. You don't just use it, you sell it as a service. Freelancers can now create entire product photo campaigns for multiple clients in one afternoon. That's a scalable business powered by a free tool. Tool number 2. Gemini 3.1 Pro inside Chrome. The second layer of the stack is Gemini 3.1 Pro built directly into Chrome. Open Chrome and you'll see the Gemini side panel. Switch the model to Gemini 3.1 Pro. Now it becomes something much more powerful than a chatbot. It's designed for ager-style tasks. It can research leads in a specific industry, scan your inbox for priority messages, plan outreach campaigns, find contact information, draft personalized emails, and it does all of this without leaving your browser. For freelancers managing multiple clients, this is huge. Everything happens in one place instead of jumping between 5 different tools. Even better, Gemini learns from your browsing habits and preferences, which means the more you use it, the smarter it gets about your workflow. That context becomes a serious competitive advantage. Tool number 3. Better prompting, the third layer, isn't a tool. It's how you talk to the tool. Most people give vague prompts and get average results. But when you structure your prompts clearly, the output changes dramatically. Tell the AI the tone you want, the format you need, who the audience is, what a successful result looks like. For example, instead of saying write a sales email, you say write a friendly but professional outreach email for a local gym owner promoting social media marketing services. Keep it under 150 words and include a clear call to action. The tool didn't change. Your input did. And that one habit improves every deliverable you create. Scripts, proposals, slides, images, everything. Tool number 4, Notebook LM Slide Editing. The fourth piece of the stack is Notebook LM. This tool was already great for generating presentation drafts, but editing them used to be slow. Google just added a new revised feature that fixes that. Now you can select specific slides and describe changes in plain language. For example, reduce the text on this slide, move this section earlier, change this to a darker color theme. Notebook LM regenerates only the sections you flagged. Everything else stays the same. That level of control used to require paid design software. Now it's built into a free tool anyone can use. Tool number 5, Stitch with Ideate. The final layer is Stitch, and it's incredibly powerful for anyone doing web or app design. Stitch now includes a feature called Ideate. Here I see what it does. You upload a screenshot of a web page, dashboard, or product page that isn't converting, then you describe the problem. Maybe the page is cluttered, Maybe the layout is confusing. Maybe too many elements compete for attention. Ideates analyzes the design and generates multiple visual redesign options. Real layouts, real design directions. You can compare them side by side, choose the best one, and continue building inside Stitch. And when you're done, it exports directly to Figma. That means the entire workflow, from problem analysis to final design, is handled in minutes. Imagine a freelance designer with a client whose checkout page is losing customers. They upload a screenshot to Stitch, describe the issue, and within 15 minutes, they have 3 polished redesigned concepts ready to present. That's a professional deliverable created with a free tool. The big picture when you zoom out, the zero-cost content stack looks like this. Pomeli handles product photography. Gemini at 3.1 Pro handles research and outreach. Strong prompting improves every output. Notebook LM creates and edits presentations. Stitch handles UI design and optimization. There's 5 billable services powered by tools that cost nothing. And there are thousands of clients who need exactly these services. E-commerce brands need product photos constantly. Consultants need slide decks. Local businesses need outreach help. Startups need UI feedback. The demand is already there. The tools just made the work 10 times faster. One consultant I know charges $450 for a product content package. Using Pomeli, she now produces the same deliverables in a fraction of the time. Her pricing stayed the same, but her profit margin exploded. That's the real advantage here. You work faster. Your costs stay near zero, and you can serve more clients. Freelancers who learn these workflows today become the experts everyone hires tomorrow. And that window is open right now. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and leave a comment below. I'll reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn tools like these into real income. And no, I'm not going to try to sell you expensive software, because as you can see, the tools are already here. And most people still haven't realized it.